What's up everybody, it's Mark, and today we're diving into the world of affordable home printing with the HP DeskJet 4255e wireless all-in-one inkjet printer, because sometimes you just need a hard copy, right? And for a lot of us, having a reliable, affordable printer at home is still a must-have. We're going to be taking a deep dive into this HP DeskJet to see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. We're talking features, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Plus, we'll be checking out how this thing performs in the real world. Make sure you stick around till the end, because we're going to be talking about the HP Instant Ink program, a pretty interesting subscription service that could save you some serious money on ink cartridges. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed and see what we're working with. First up, let's talk features. The HP DeskJet 4255e is designed to be an all-in-one solution for your home printing needs. This compact machine can print, scan, and even copy documents, making it super versatile for everyday tasks. Whether you're printing out school assignments, scanning important documents, or need to make a quick copy, the DeskJet 4255e has got you covered. One of the standout features of this printer is its wireless connectivity. You can easily print from your laptop, smartphone, or tablet without the hassle of cables. Just seamless wireless printing from any corner of your home. Now let's talk about a feature that I think is particularly cool, especially for those of you who do a lot of printing, HP Plus. This printer is HP Plus enabled, which means you get a bunch of extra perks when you sign up for an HP Plus account. One of the biggest benefits is that you get 6 months of HP Instant Ink included. That means you'll get ink cartridges delivered straight to your door before you even run out. HP Plus also gives you access to some pretty nifty features through the HP Smart app. You can print, scan, and share documents directly from your phone, monitor ink levels, and even get help with any printing issues you might encounter. Setting up the HP DeskJet 4255e is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and you're good to go. The printer uses a dual-band Wi-Fi, which means it can connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks for a more stable and reliable connection. The printer also supports Bluetooth, so you can even print directly from your devices without needing to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Another feature I appreciate is the printer's compact design. It's not going to take up your entire desk, which is always a plus, especially if you're working with limited space. The paper tray is also well designed and can hold up to 60 sheets of plain paper, so you won't have to constantly refill it. Overall, the HP DeskJet 4255e packs a pretty impressive set of features for an affordable printer. Plus, its compact design makes it a great fit for any home office. And with all these features, it's clear that the HP DeskJet 4255e is more than just a basic printer. It's a versatile, reliable, and efficient addition to any home setup, ensuring you can handle all your printing needs with ease and convenience. Alright, let's talk about what this printer gets right. There are several aspects that make the HP DeskJet 4255e stand out. First up, the setup process. Setting up this printer is incredibly easy. Even if you're not the most tech-savvy person, you'll have this thing up and running in no time. The instructions are clear and straightforward. Print quality is another area where the DeskJet 4255e shines. For everyday documents, presentations, and even photos, the print quality is surprisingly good. Text is sharp and clear, colors are vibrant, and images have a decent amount of detail. And speaking of photos, I was pleasantly surprised by the photo printing capabilities of this little guy. While it's not a dedicated photo printer, it still manages to produce decent quality photos, especially when using HP's photo paper. The colors are rich and the details are quite impressive for a printer in this price range. One of the biggest pros of this printer, in my opinion, is the cost effectiveness, especially when you factor in HP Instant Ink. With the HP Plus subscription, you get ink cartridges delivered to your door before you run out, ensuring you always have ink when you need it. This convenience cannot be overstated. Plus, HP claims that you can save up to 50% on ink costs compared to buying cartridges individually. This can add up to significant savings over time. The HP Smart app also deserves a shout-out in the pros section. It's a well-designed app that makes it incredibly easy to manage your printer and perform various tasks. From scanning documents to checking ink levels, it's all very user-friendly. Another pro is the printer's compact size. It doesn't take up much space on your desk, which is always a plus. Perfect for small home offices or dorm rooms. Finally, I have to give props to HP for including a USB port on this printer. This adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing you to print directly from a USB drive. Now let's talk about some of the downsides of the HP DeskJet 4255e. While it has many great features, there are a few areas where it falls short. No printer is perfect, and this one is no exception. First up, print speed. If you're in a hurry, this printer might test your patience. This is not a printer designed for high-volume printing. It's more suited for occasional use or small print jobs. It's a bit on the slower side, especially when printing in color or high-quality mode. So, if you need to print a lot of photos, be prepared to wait. Another potential downside for some people is the reliance on the HP Plus subscription for the best value. This can be a bit of a commitment. While you get 6 months of instant ink included with the printer, after that you'll need to sign up for a paid subscription to continue using the service. This could be a deal breaker for some. The instant ink program itself can also be a bit of a double-edged sword. It offers convenience but at the cost of flexibility. While it can save you money on ink in the long run, it also means you're locked into using HP's ink cartridges. This could limit your options. Another thing to keep in mind is that the printer only has a basic control panel with a small monochrome display. It's functional, but not very user-friendly. The paper tray capacity is also a bit limited at 60 sheets. This means more frequent refills if you print a lot. One thing I noticed during my testing is that the printer can be a bit noisy, especially when it's first starting up or printing something. This might be distracting in a quiet environment. Finally, while the HP Smart app is generally well designed and easy to use, I did encounter a few occasional glitches and connectivity issues. These can be frustrating when you're in a hurry. It wasn't anything major, and a quick restart of the app or the printer usually fixed the problem, but it's something to be aware of. Overall, while the HP DeskJet 4255e has its downsides, it still offers good value for specific needs. So, we've talked about the features, the pros, and the cons. Now let's talk about the price. The HP DeskJet 4255e is positioned as an affordable all-in-one printer, and it definitely delivers on that front. You can usually find this printer for around insert current price from Best Buy link, which is pretty competitive for a printer with its feature set. Now, it's important to factor in the cost of the HP Plus subscription if you plan on using it. As I mentioned earlier, you get 6 months free, but after that, you'll need to sign up for a paid plan. HP offers different plans based on your printing needs, starting at insert price of cheapest HP Plus plan per month. The value proposition here really depends on your printing habits. If you're a light printer who only prints a few pages here and there, the HP Plus subscription might not be worth it. However, if you print more regularly, especially in color, the HP Plus subscription could actually save you money in the long run. Overall, the HP DeskJet 4255e offers a good balance of price and performance. And for the price, you're getting a solid set of features, decent print quality, and the convenience of wireless printing. If you're interested in picking up the HP DeskJet 4255e, the model number is DJ4255E/588S6A-B1H, and the SKU is 6575024. You can find it at a bunch of different retailers, but I've included a link to Best Buy in the description below. They usually have competitive prices and you can often find deals and discounts there. Now, I know some of you might be wondering if this printer is the right fit for your needs. If you're looking for a basic, affordable printer for occasional use, this printer is a solid choice. It's easy to set up, prints well for everyday documents and photos, and the wireless connectivity is super convenient. If you're a student on a budget, this printer could be a great option. It's compact enough to fit in a dorm room, and the HP Plus subscription could save you money on ink in the long run. If you're a family with kids who need to print out school assignments, this printer could be a good fit. It's easy enough for kids to use, and the HP Smart app makes it easy to print from multiple devices. However, if you're a professional who needs to print high-quality documents or photos regularly, you might want to look for a more robust printer with faster print speeds and advanced features. Ultimately, the best printer for you depends on your individual needs and budget. So, there you have it, guys. That's the HP DeskJet 4255e wireless all-in-one inkjet printer. Overall, it's a solid choice for home or small office use, especially if you're looking for an affordable printer with wireless connectivity and the convenience of HP Instant Ink. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.